This 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL 32U is a Class C RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL 32U is built on a Ford F550 4x4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.